Want to earn $700 per month from home, just working from the Google or for the Google? It's pretty easy. Let's see how you can do that. First of all, you need to go to the Skillshop on Google. Skillshop is best to get a certification course that master you at your work. Here we will click Get Started to go further. And here you will get all the Google certification courses, like Google Ads, Google for Education, Google Analytics and so on. After completing some certifications course from here, you can go to next website, which is Peopleperhour. Here you can search a job related to the course you have completed from Skillshop. I will search Google Ads job. Here you can search the job related to your course and can get a job from $100 to $700 easily. I have suggested you are best to get a job easily, as you can earn from just completing those courses and your work is done. Stay tuned for more videos.